Welcome to Meiosis by Jackson Griffiths, Cade Gamble, and Mason Batani. I will now tell you the parts of the cell. Cell membrane, chromatin, chromatids, chromosomes, spindle fibers, centrioles, nuclear membrane. Meiosis 1. Here in interphase, the chromatids begin to pair up to form their separate chromosomes. They will be joined together by centromeres. Here in prophase 1, perhaps the most important part happens, which is called crossing over, where two homologous chromosomes swap DNA. We also see the nuclear membrane begin to disappear and the spindle fibers beginning to form. Here in metaphase 1, the chromosomes line up and the spindle fibers attach. Here in anaphase 1, we see the spindle fibers beginning to pull apart the chromosomes. Here in telophase, we see the chromosomes line up on the opposite sides of the cell and the nuclear membrane begin to form. Here we see cytokinesis. Meiosis 2. Here in meiosis 2, we see the same things happening, except for we have two different cells now. We have half the number of chromosomes, but we see the nuclear membrane begin to disappear, the spindle fibers beginning to form, the chromosomes lining up, the spindle fibers attaching, the spindle fibers pulling apart the chromosome, the nuclear membranes beginning to form, the cell beginning to split, and finally, cytokinesis. We now have 4 separate cells.